Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning Surah Al-Qari'ah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. القارعة. Hamza is very sharp. Sharp means there is no flow of sound. And then there's fatha, and it is attached with lam. Lam will get zip off the wasut. Qa is 2 counts long, and it is heavy. Ri, for kasra give e sound. Ra will be light. Whenever ra has kasra, it is light. Ri, ayn should be very clearly from your throat. For fatha open jaws, attach with because of this waqf, you are changing this ta into ha. Ta marbuta always changes into ha when we stop at it. And because of ha, it will get riqawa because it has sukoon on it now. And ha. Al-Qari'ah. Al-Qari'ah. Mal for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get above the wasud. Mal Qari'ah. Wa for makhraj of waw, circle your lips. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Ma 4 counts long. Mad munfasil jaiz. Ad hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws, attach with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. Ad ra is always heavy. Ra is heavy when there is dhamma or fatha, and it is long because there is standing fatha on it. Ra ka is light and it is short. Mal for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Tawassut. وما أدراك ما القارعة يوم. Keep ya soft. Makhraj of ya, what is that? That is when you are lifting your tongue, middle part of your tongue towards the middle part of your palate, but you are not touching the tongue with that palate. This is what makhraj of ya is, and ya is soft. Yaw, and this is lean, so you are making it 2 counts long and make it soft. Yaw ma for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Yeah, for yeah, for fatha upon your jaws, and yeah is soft. Yeah, ku for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Nun for the circle lips, attach it. Nun will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Nun na 2 counts long. Su for the circle your lips. Circling your lips is the time you need to pronounce this haraka. If you are not circling your lips well, this time will be shortened and that will mess up the letter. Su. Na su. Kel for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Kel. Fa. Give hams on fa for fatha upon jaws. Ra 2 counts long. And ra is heavy because it has fatha on it. Shil for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Mab for fatha open jaws attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. Thuth for dhamma, circle your lips. And because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon here on tha. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 now. This is 4 counts long. And tha will get rakhawa because it has sukoon now. Tooth. يوم يكون الناس كالفراش المبثوث. ومخرج of waw is circling your lips for fatha open jaws. Ta for fatha open jaws, the sound is short and very sharp. There is no flow of sound. Wata. For dhamma circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. Nul for dhamma circle your lips, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. G for kasra give e sound. Ba 2 counts long. Lu for dhamma circle your lips nicely and give a nice time here. Lu when you are circling your lips. Lu kal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ain from your throat. For kasra, give E sound, attach it ha. Ha will get sifa of raqawa. And raqawa is flow of sound. Nil. For kasra, give E sound, attach it lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ma. For fatha, open jaws. And this ikhfa is light because fa is among light letter. So to make ikhfa light, you have to keep your tongue straight. Mafush. And because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon on sheen. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarid lis sukoon. And sheen will get rakhawa because it is with sukoon now. وتكون الجبال كالعهن المنفوش. F, give hams on fa. Whenever you see fa, you are giving hams. For fatha, open your jaws. Hamza is sharp. For fatha, open jaws, attach it. Mim will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your mouth for a longer time. Ma, 2 counts long. Ma, for fatha, open jaws. And this ikhfa is light because tha is among light letters. So you will keep your tongue straight to make this ikhfa. Ma, tha, u, for dhamma, circle your lips nicely. U, let's, for fatha, open jaws, attach it. Ta will get sifa of hums, and hums is flow of breath. Let's. Ma, for fatha, open jaws, the sound is short. Wa, 2 counts long. And circle your lips for makhraj of wow. Z, 2 counts long. Nu, for dhamma, circle your lips and attach it ha. This because of this waqf, you are giving sukoon on ha, and it will get rakawa now. Z, nu. And as you will touch ha, your lips should be in a straight position because it has sukoon now. Nu. فأما فأما من ثقلت موازينه. F, give hams on fa. For fatha, open jaws, the sound is short. Hu, for dhamma, circle your lips, the sound is short. Wa, makhraj of waw, circling your lips. For fatha, open jaws. Fi, 2 counts long. Ain from your throat nicely and make it 2 counts long. Sh, for fatha, open jaws. Kir, this is idgham without gunna. Without gunna. There is no gunna at all. Kir, ra, 2 counts long. Li, dot is heavy for kasra, give e sound. Yeah. For fatha, open jaws, attach it ha. Why this is ha? Because of the waqf. When you are tapping on this circle ta, this time marputa will be changed into ha. And this is the rule. This is always the rule. Whenever you are stopping on circle ta, you're changing into ha on waqf, and this ha will get sifa of raqa because it is with sukoon now. فهو في عيشة راضية. ومخرج of واو circling your lips for fatha, open jaws. Hamza is very sharp for fatha, open jaws, attach with mimi when you get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma, 2 counts long. Man, for fatha, open jaws. And this the sifa is tawassut, and ruling is hard here. Man, qaf, fa is heavy for fatha, open jaws, attach it fa. Fa will get sifa of hums, and hums is flow of breath. Qaf, Fats, for fatha, open jaws, and ta will get sifa of hums. Whenever ta is with sukoon, it will get hums. And hums is flow of breath. Fats, ma, for fatha, open jaws. Wa, circle lips for makhraj of wow. And for fatha, open your jaws, make it 2 counts long. Wa, z, 2 counts long. Nun. For dhamma, circle your lips as you will touch ha, because ha is with sukoon here because of the waqf, and you will give a rakhawa, and your lips should be in a straight position when you will touch ha. Otherwise, you will give Ha dhamma. There is no dhamma now. It is with sukoon because of the waqf. So keep your lips straight as you will touch ha. No. وَأَمَّا مَنْ خَفَّتْ مَوَازِينُهُ. Fa, give Hamza on fa for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Hamza is very sharp for the circle lips. Attach with meme, you will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mu for the circle lips. The sound is short with dhamma. Hu, hu, 2 counts long. For dhamma, circle lips. Hu, ha, 2 counts long. We, for kasra, give E sound. Makhraj of waw, circling your lips. For fatha, open jaws. For kasra, give E sound. We, yeah. Yeah is soft. And as you are giving buff on the circle ta, it will be changed into ha. And ha will get sifa of rakhawa because it is with sukoon now. فَأُمُّهُ هَاوِيَةٌ. مخرج of واو circling your lips ففتح upon jaws. The sound is short. ما 4 counts long but منفصل جايز. أد Hamza is sharp. Dal will get قلقلة. را 2 counts long. ك ففتح upon jaws. The sound is short. ما 2 counts long. He focus give E sound. And ha is from last part of your throat. And it should be from your throat nicely. He, yeah. I will get sip of Rakhawa, and Rakhawa is clove sound. وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا هِيَهْ. Na 2 counts long. Urun. Sifa is the wasut and ruling it is har. Urun. Ha 2 counts long. Mi. Focus to give E sound. Yeah. Mix yeah soft and touch it ha. It has turned into ha now because of the waqf, and it will get rakawa because it has fathan sukoon now. Narun hamiyah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Al-Qari'ah. Mal-Qari'ah. وما أدراك ما القارعة يوم يكون الناس كالفراش المبثوث وتكون الجبال كالعهن المنفوش فأما من ثقلت موازينه فهو في عيشة راضية وأما من خفت موازينه فأمه هاوية وما أدراك ما هي نار حامية. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.